A little shy.
Like talking?
Yes, with friends.
Patient person?
Usually patient.
Get angry?
Not very often.
Feel happy?
Most times, yes.
Work hard?
Yes, very hard.
Help others?
Yes, when possible.
Make friends easily?
Yes, quite easily.
Like changes?
Sometimes difficult.
Stay positive?
Try to, yes.
Why learn English?
For better job,
Study daily?
yes, 1 hour.
Watch English TV?
Yes, with subtitles.
Read English?
Easy books.
Practice speaking?
With friends.
Like grammar?
Sometimes hard.
Use dictionary?
Yes, often.
Take classes?
Twice weekly.
Homework daily?
Yes, every evening.
Feel progress?
Yes, getting better.
Feel good today?
Yes, very good.
Often stressed?
Sometimes stressed.
What makes happy?
Friends and family.
Feel tired?
After work, yes.
Miss home?
Sometimes miss home.
Like your life?
Yes, quite happy.
Feel lonely?
Not usually.
Get nervous?
In new situations.
What worries you?
Work deadlines.
Feel confident?
Most times, yes.
Like this city?
Yes, very much.
Big city?
Yes, quite big.
Good transport?
Yes, many buses.
Nice parks?
Yes, beautiful parks.
Many shops?
Yes, shopping easy.
Good restaurants?
Many choices.
Feel safe?
Yes, very safe.
Traffic bad?
Morning traffic bad?
Good neighbors?
Yes, very friendly.
Like downtown?
Yes, interesting place.
Have new friends?
Yes, from work.
Meet often?
Every weekend.
Where meet?
At coffee shops?
Same age?
Yes, about same.
Share interests?
Yes, like sports.
Group activities?
Play basketball together.
Trust friends?
Yes, good friends.
Long friendship?
2 years now?
Plan trips?
Yes, sometimes.
Best friend?
Yes, from school.
Use phone much?
Yes, every day.
Send messages.
Many messages daily.
Call family.
Every evening.
Video chat.
On weekends.
Write emails.
For work only.
Social media.
Yes. Use often.
Prefer calling.
Yes. Then typing.
Group chats.
With close friends.
Talk English.
Try to practice.
Communication problems.
Sometimes difficult.
Always busy.
Yes, very busy.
Wake early.
Yes, 6 a.m.
Plan day.
Yes, make schedule.
Free time.
Little free time.
Work overtime.
Sometimes needed.
Take breaks.
Short breaks. Yes.
Meet deadlines.
Yes, usually.
Feel rushed.
Often rushed.
Weekend plans.
Rest and relax.
Time management.
Try my best.